Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emeshe and today I would like to talk about my income streams at the age of 30. So let's get started. My first income stream is my maternity leave benefit. I am on maternity leave until August this year. Here in Romania we have a very generous maternity leave package, which means I can stay at home with my son until he turns 2 years. I will put all of the amounts right here so you can see them in euros and in US dollars. For my maternity benefits I receive 650 euros a month. This is calculated before you go on maternity leave, and it is 80% of your net take-home pay before you went on your maternity leave. So the next one is the dividends I take from my business. Every month I take 250 euros from my business for expenses. I pay taxes on this, of course. So my next income category pays out quarterly, which is my rate account. This is a real estate investment trust, a mutual fund at a local bank, and they pay quarterly dividends. I did my research, and here in Romania there are two rates available for the public at the moment. Both of them are at local banks, and one of them pays quarterly dividends and the other reinvests the dividends into the value of your fund. My goal with this rate account was to generate cash flow monthly or quarterly, and that's why I chose this particular bank, because they pay out the dividends and they don't reinvest it. I have other investment accounts where the goal is to grow on the long term, and there I will not take out the dividends, I will always reinvest them. For the last two payments I got about 500 euros for the quarter, which means about 150–170 euros per month. This year I plan to grow this account so that I can receive 200 euros every month as dividends, so a total of 600 euros every quarter. I have my 2022 financial goals video listed down below, so if you're interested in my goals for this year, please check that one out. Then my next three income sources are kind of the same, because they are creative stock sites. I do a lot of drawing and it's one of my hobbies, and I digitized my artwork and I'm selling them as clip art on several websites. The first one is called Creative Market. This would be my fourth income stream. The fifth is called Hungry JPEG, and the sixth is called Design Bundles. I sell my digital products that I drew and digitized myself on these three websites. The revenue from these sites is not very much. Sometimes I don't get a paycheck every month, or maybe I get it every 2 months. It depends on the minimum payout amount. But it comes to about 50 euros a month in the summer. Most of my products are summer related, so that's when I get the most of my money from these websites. These are amounts before tax, so I have to pay 10% tax on this amount. Okay, my seventh income stream is cashback rewards and credit card points. I personally don't have a credit card, but my husband does, and we save all of his credit card points and pay with them at the grocery store or at certain stores that accept these points, and we never let them go to waste. For cashback I use a local site called Bonus Way, and they have really good cashback on lots of websites that I use. And during Black Friday they had 5 to 6% cashback on your purchases, so it was a really good period for cashbacks. So my last current income source is my business, from where I take the profits twice a year Basically, I take the profits from the business, pay myself as the business owner, and pay taxes on this amount. This comes to about 20 to 25,000 euros every semester. I hope to grow this amount this year, as I mentioned it in my financial goals video. Next, I would like to talk about the income sources that I'm working on right now. The first one would be a real estate investment from where I would like to receive rental income. This would be a studio apartment in one of the cities nearby. I know that town really well because I was born and raised there and moved to this town when I went to university. And I found a really good studio apartment in the center of the city, and I believe after renovation and a few pieces of new furniture I could rent it out for 200 euros a month. As I mentioned earlier, this apartment is under negotiation at the moment, and I hope to close on it in a few months if everything turns out as I hope it will. And the other income stream I'm working on at the moment is this YouTube channel. I would like to get it monetized by the end of this year. And as we know, the possibilities on YouTube are endless. Thank you for watching. These are my 8+2 income streams at the age of 30 here in Eastern Europe, Romania. And please tell me, what are your income streams? How many do you have? And what do you plan to do to add even more income streams so you can become financially independent? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!